Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to download songs on Spotify. So first of all, open up your Spotify app. Once that open up, you're going to your library. Under there you look under liked songs or your playlist, which you named anything. I named mine My Jam, so I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, I put songs there: Espresso, Die with a Smile, Aperture. So I'm going to click on this right here. It's going to ask me if I want to download using mobile data, that I should update my settings to enable downloading using mobile data. Otherwise, download will begin when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Go to your settings and you're going to turn this on, download over cellular. Then you go back and your Espresso will start downloading. Now, if you only want one song to download, then you can also remove from downloads, but as you can see, mine is already downloaded. You if you want a song, just one song to download, you have to just put one song on that particular playlist just for that song to download. If not, it's gonna download everything under the playlist. So hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.